Hi, Hare Krishna. Good evening.
Hi, Jyoti.
Hi.
Hare Krishna.
Hi, Ura.
Yeah. Are you understanding the service? What is CRM, the navigation, everything?
Yeah. Actually, that case creation, all that I'm currently doing in Salesforce, somewhat similar to that what I'm working now.
Okay, nice. So, do hands-on for to familiar with the CRM interface, where
Yeah.
we have the navigation, where we have the site navigation bar, where we have the settings, everything, where we how to go the record.
Okay.
Any questions from previous session?
No, but I want to refer due to net connection. I mean, the session was very lagged yesterday.
Means
Our Wi-Fi in our area, Wi-Fi connection is not there, so
okay.
mm, mobile signal also very weak. Today only our internet connection is back.
Okay.
I will refer previous recording videos and I will.
Actually, the problem yesterday we were unable to. We started recording, but while ending the session, we haven't ended. So we just ended the meeting. So we are unable to get the recording. The recording is not saved to cloud. Still, it is saying
Okay,
processing only. That's okay.
okay,
I think we can say yesterday session we lost, but I can give some other old recording or something.
okay.
Meanwhile, you just continue with the notes, whatever we said yesterday. We have the running notes and the QA, everything, right?
Yeah,
So just refer them. If you have any questions, you can come. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Satish. Good evening.
Hi, Harish.
Yeah. How
Good
is
evening.
it? You are able to follow the sessions or any challenge so far?
Actually, up to first 2 days, I'm good. Actually, yesterday class I didn't try it now. I will try both classes today and yesterday's class tomorrow. So,
Ah, okay. Okay.
yeah, up to I'm good actually, but I
Mm.
need to create some cases.
Yeah, that's okay. So
Yeah,
we can, if
yeah, up to
everyone.
class. Yes, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Nikhil. Hello. We're unable to hear you. Are you speaking? Okay. Hi, Shivendra.
Hi Harish. Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
You know who is Jyoti?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Harish. Hello.
Are you listening the classes yesterday? Did you join the classes?
Yes, yesterday I joined the classes, and today I've gone through this. Missed the classes like
Okay.
a day before yesterday. So now I I want to know how we can log in the CRM and like this
Okay. Okay.
in
Trial
trial
account you
instance.
want.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I will give you the trial account details.
Okay.
Mm. You know who is giving the sessions? Jyoti.
Jyoti, but I think those Jyoti na Jyoti Rangoli, correct na?
Yes, she is the one.
Okay. Okay. Hi Jyoti. Good evening.
Hi, Shivendra. From Ask HR, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, he's from Moscow.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Deep. No, cycle in. Hello. We are unable to hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you able to listen my voice?
Yeah, we are able to hear now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm following the classes. Just now, 2 hours before, I have searched for the yesterday's recording session. Unable to find it. Just
Yeah,
now you
that's what
told, right?
the problem with yesterday. What happened? We haven't end the recordings, so we just simply ended the meeting. So the Zoom has a bug actually. If we end the direct meeting, it is not saving the recording. We need to click on the end recording. So make sure someone or Jyoti, you want to take care. Whenever you're done with the session, you just click on the stop recording. Do you see the options? We have pause play symbol in the
I
below.
think once I share my screen, then I think I'm getting that pause I saw yesterday.
And beside that, you have that stop as well, no?
Right now I'm not seeing any, but yeah, I'll try. If not, I'll let you know so that you can just join
Okay.
quickly and do that.
Okay. Chalo then. Today she is going to start the sales. Okay. So whatever we are discussing day before yesterday, today and tomorrow, those are like OOB apps. Out of the box means by default, what is Microsoft offering? We are just exploring them. Then from Monday onwards, we are going to start on the. If you want to make any changes, this OOB apps, if you want to create some custom app, what we need to do, like that we will learn. Okay. Chalo then. Thank you, Jyoti. Hand out to you.
Thank you, Harish. Hi, everyone. Okay, so let me quickly recap what we have discussed yesterday. Let me share my screen. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so yesterday we have started our session with entitlements and then SLAs, SLA items, SLA KPIs, and how the SLA is getting mapped with the cases and how we create SLAs. So these all things and also productivity tools and knowledge articles. So these are the topics that we have discussed. So let me just quickly I'll show you how we have created everything. Okay. So this is the app to develop any such kind of things like entitlements or SLAs. So we have to come to here, Copilot Service Admin Center. And then here under the operations section, we have the service terms. So from here, we have started creating the entitlements and we have discussed what is entitlement. So entitlement is a service term, like how the company should provide the services to the customer once they bought the product. Okay, in what are the terms? Like, is it through emails or phone calls, or is it like based on the number of cases, how the entitlement will work for a customer? So that is the entitlement, like how we provide the services to the customer. So we have created one test entitlement for this fourth coffee customer, and we have set this as a default one. And then we have created one SLA, and inside that one we have created SLA items, and we have seen how to create a SLA KPIs as well. So the KPI is a the to track the to track the success metrics or something like that. So we have seen how it will get started. So applicable from, this is the useful term in KPI field. So here you can see applicable from is created on. So whenever I'm using this inside SLA item, so that SLA will get started once the case got created. So here the entity I have chosen is case. So the case created on time, from this time onwards, the SLA will time will get started for the first response. So that I have used in here inside the first response SLA, and here we have seen the conditions like applicable when. So from when the exactly from when this should get started. So I'm saying if created on contains data on the case, then only start the SLA for this one. And also, what are the success condition? If the case contains this first response and equals to yes, then this is a success. This KPI is a success. Otherwise, warn after 15 minutes. Warn the agent, whoever is working on the case, after 15 minutes, so that he'll get to know, like, yeah, I'm missing the SLA, so I'll have to work on this case on priority. Okay, so we will be warning the agent after 15 minutes, and the failure, this will get failure after 30 minutes. So if it is a failure, then it will be a bad feedback for the agent as well as the company. Okay, so no agent should miss the SLAs. They should be working in time, like in within the SLA only they should work on a case. Okay, and we have also discussed like how this time may vary based on the priority. So for the premium customers it might vary, and for the non-premium customers it might vary. Okay, so this is about the SLA that we have discussed, and we have also saw once we have created SLA, we have to activate it, and then we have to set as a default. So right now we are only having one, so that is fine if we don't select as well. But if you want to just have this SLA, then set as default. So by default, this will get selected. So right now what I'm doing, I'm using entitlement and mapping the SLA here. So whenever this customer creates any complaint or request, then this entitlement will work for this customer, and whatever the associated SLA is there, this will get applicable on the case. Meaning, so we saw yesterday, like once the case got created, how the SLA timers are getting started. Let me show you that as well. Okay, this is the one that we have created under this fourth coffee company. And we saw how the SLA timers are getting triggered once I have sent an email. I have set a first response sent as S. So by the time of creation itself, the first response timer is was getting started, and once I have added the first response sent to yes, then only the other SLA got started. SLA timers. You can see first response KPI succeeded. Okay, and once I've set the first response sent as yes, then only resolve by KPI got started actually yesterday. Okay, so this is what we have discussed, and we also saw how the entitlement got automatically populated for this customer, because fourth coffee has only one entitlement, so by default it came. If in case this company has multiple entitlements, maybe for this entitlement, this holds the services of emails, and this company might have another entitlement which holds the service terms of cases. So the company, I mean, the customer can have multiple entitlements. If it is a one, we can set it as a default. If it is a multiple, then we have to use some customizations to set the entitlement of for a case for a particular customer. Okay. And then what we have discussed, once the agent got assigned to the case, instead of just starting working on the case altogether from the fresh, whoever is working on the case, right, they can just go to the knowledge management, knowledge search, and from here can search for the knowledge articles. And what are these knowledge articles? So this knowledge article contains the steps to solve the issue. For example, here you can see I didn't add anything here by default. So I mentioned this is the productivity pane where we can see the all the smart assist like buttons here, and we can select each of them based on a requirement. So yesterday I have explained you about this knowledge search only, and if I select this knowledge search, and then you can see the case title came by default, and wherever this keyword is present inside the knowledge article, the knowledge article is coming in the suggestions, and we can the agent can pick this up and follow the steps present in the article to solve this issue. Okay, so whatever is present to solve this issue inside the steps can be articulated in this knowledge article, so the agent can use it to solve the issue within a SLA period. Okay, I think this is what we have discussed, and I also saw like from multiple places we can go. I mean, how we can open the knowledge article. So, and also we have seen how to create a knowledge article as well. Okay, and how to like once we create it, we have to publish it. Then only it will be in a use. Like until and unless I have not published this one, this will not be visible in the knowledge search. Okay, once the knowledge article got created, we have to publish it, and same with the entitlement and the SLA. So we have to activate it, otherwise we will not be able to use them. Okay, so that's what yesterday's recap. And yesterday I did mention that we have left with few topics, that is about dashboards and reports. So that is common across the apps. So I'll be starting with the sales today. Maybe for both sales and services, I can show you dashboard. I can show you, but how to create that we can discuss later. Okay, so today I'll be starting with the sales app. So until now we have seen how the customer service workspace space app is useful for the customer service search related services. Okay, now I'll be going to sales hub. Okay, so I think in the first day itself, in the demo, I mean the first introduction session, I have explained for each app related out of the box entities will be present inside the app. Do you remember? For customer service, we do have a different type of entities, out of the box entities, and for the sales different, marketing different. So based on which type of data we are going to hold in this app, so based on that the entities will be differ across the apps. Okay, so these are the entities that that Microsoft provided for this app. So if you are going to hold a different data, then we can create a different entities as well. But for now, these are all the out of the box entities that we have got for the sales app. Okay, so we have seen like why anybody will use the sales hub. So why we will, I mean, any organization will choose the sales hub. For example, I have an I have a company and in which we are selling to some product, trying to sell some products. So once you open a company and you're starting to sell products, nobody will come, right? So until and unless they saw the products and just have a trust in us, they'll not come directly. They'll not walk into our company directly. So for that one, what we will do first, we will have to maybe some marketing things, like we will have to what we call, we will have to ayo. We will have to do some marketing things like pamphlets and all. And then if anybody is interested in our product, Promotions. Thanks. Okay, so sorry. So if anybody interested by seeing the pamphlets or anything or any our promotions, and if they liked our product, then somebody might call us and saying, I'm interested in your product. So if somebody is calling and saying, yeah, they are interested in the product, we can't just uh, keep on ask them ki just buy our product, buy our product. It will not be a good thing, right? They'll not even buy if we ask so many times, like at a once. So what we will do, first we will just store the information of that particular individual or the company. For example, if you are providing our products in a bulk, then companies might be interested. So the companies or the individual might ask show interest in our products. So at that time, what we will do, in the sales hub, the first step is lead creation. So lead is a potential customer, like they might be interested in our product. We don't know. I mean, they will be buying or not buying, that we don't know for sure at that time. So for that time, what we'll do, first we will create a lead. Okay. So once the lead, no account or no contact, first lead only. Okay. Here we will let me show you. So in the CRM, we will create a lead with the minimal basic details. So what is the topic? Topic here means what product the lead is interested in, and the leads details. What is the first name, last name, and the phone number and the email. Okay, and if they are from the company, they can provide the company as well. Okay, so these are the first basic details that we can take. For example, if they are coming directly to us, then also we can take these details. If they are calling us, then directly we can get the phone number, or through email also we can ask for these details. Okay, so this way, first lead creation will happen. So once the lead got created, then a sales representative who is responsible for the sales in a company will communicate with this lead, follow up with this lead, like whether are you interested or not. Okay, so once the lead confirms that he will be buying, the customer confirm that we will be purchasing the product from your organization. Then what we'll do, we will qualify this lead into an opportunity. Okay, so until they didn't confirm ki they'll be buying our product, we will not be qualifying this lead. Once they confirmed, then only we will be qualifying this lead into an opportunity. Okay, so once the lead got converted to an opportunity, then what will happen? Account and contact will get created for this particular customer, whoever is approached for us, like whoever is present in this lead record. Okay, so once this got converted into an opportunity, so here in the opportunity section, I'll show you like inside this what we have, but for now I'm just giving the overall explanation so that we can discuss each thing later. Okay, so once the lead got qualified and then converted into an opportunity, then inside the opportunity record, we can provide, we can ask the lead, the customer, in which products the customer is interested in. So that details, what is the product and what is the price for that one. So how many quantities. So such type of details can be uh, recorded in this opportunities reports. Okay, if lead is interested. If lead is not interested, then the sales representative who is working on the following up with this lead, they can directly disqualify this lead so that they will not be working on this lead. Okay, and I'll show you how to disqualify and qualify this one as well, and why means why they are going with this each like step by step, why the organization should go step by step. Like once the lead got created, then no opportunity. So why can't they just create a customer or account or contact for a customer? So why they can't do means, so in an organization, so if we don't go by step, there will be a chance that we might miss this lead. Okay, for example, we have a sales team who are maybe having 5 sales representative to work on, to sell the products, and they have got multiple phone calls or the emails. So there should be an organizing thing so that they didn't miss any single lead. Okay, for that reason only, so this organizer things needs to be required, and we can use the sales hub. So that is the first real-time example. Okay, so I'll show you the topic can be what we can give as a topic. I'll just go with Chetak. Chetak. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm interested in buying the Chetak scooty. So I have contacted the company organization and they have created lead for me. I'm not yet sure whether I'll buy or not, but I just called them to inquiry like what is the price and all. So they have just created the lead record. And now you can see we've already discussed. So this is a record of a lead entity, and these are the fields to store the values, I mean to hold the data of any record, and then this is the form. Okay, now you can see this line where we have different stages. Okay, so this is called the business process flow. Okay, to follow the some steps in each lead creation and qualification, every sales representative should follow the same steps. So for that one, we can use this business process flow in CRM. Okay, so we shouldn't, any sales representative should not miss any point at any stage. Okay, so to follow the same steps for each representative, we can use this business process flow. Okay, so these are all called stages. This is business process flow, entire one, and inside this we have stages. Okay, this is the first stage where we will qualify the lead, and the second stage develop, and then propose, and then close. So in the qualify, uh, so these are all the details that the sales representative should fill up. Whether this is a lead is an existing contact or existing account. I'll say like you might get an doubt saying this is a lead. So why it will be an existing account or existing contact, right? Because I'm saying for the first time, account or contact will not be created, only lead will get created, and once lead got qualified, then only account and contact record will get created. So why they're asking us whether it is an existing contact or existing account, right? That's because whenever I'm not interested, for example, they have created the lead record, and if I say like I'm not interested right now, I might be buying this maybe once I get salary, or maybe the next 2 to 3 months I'll be buying, but not right now. Then what they'll do, instead of stay, I mean, uh, instead of just let this lead in open state, they'll just disqualify it with different options like lost or cannot contact, no longer interested, or cancel. So if they select any of the thing, my contact will still there in CRM. Okay, that is the reason here we have an option to choose whether existing contact or existing account. These options are coming, that is the reason. Okay, and purchase time frame. So when this lead is interested to buy this product, and estimated budget and purchase process. So these all details sales representative should provide in this step. So once they are done with providing this step, then only they can go to the next stage. So this process is same for each lead. Okay, let me just estimated budget, individual, identified. Okay, next is this. So you can see whenever we have this star symbol, then only that is a mandatory field. If it is not mandatory, optional, then I can just leave blank as well. And select opportunity. Where? I'll not select. Just Okay. From directly here. Okay, so I called them and I said I'm interested, then I'll qualify it. Here you can see. Here it says they're giving. Contact will be created as per org settings and opportunity will be automatically created as per org settings. But account will not be created upon qualification. Okay, maybe this is because of org settings or something. Okay, so once we qualify this one, the contact record here will be created. Opportunity, we will be redirected to the opportunity set, opportunity record, and also contact record also will get created automatically. Okay. Lead qualified and the following records have been linked. Contact, this contact got created on opportunity with whatever the topic I have mentioned, right? So with that topic, opportunity got created. Okay, I said finish. Record qualified and the lead job is done. Okay, you can see the BPF is came from lead to opportunity. Okay. And then once we qualify the opportunity, lead, an opportunity got created for me with whatever the budget I have mentioned there in the topic and my contact, all the details were came here. Purchase time, immediate and individual. So these details, what I have mentioned in the qualified state, so these details automatically filled in the opportunity record. So here the develop. So what is the customer need? Like what is the product that I'm going to buy? And what is the estimated revenue and estimated close date? Okay, so these are all the details I can mention in the opportunity. So first I'll show you. So for each one here, like it might be a product or price list, everything is an entity. And in each entity, we will be creating a product, different products, records. Okay, so now I'll show you. I will just create a, okay. First I'll use dollar, then add product. Okay, just add the equity, then product ID. Parent is optional, so I'll be not selecting. Oh, sorry. So unit group, it's like we will be having I mean, if you are having multiple products, then each product can be part of one unit group. So for example, I'm having scooters, vehicles, as well as some food products as well. I don't know it's related or not, but let's say let's suppose say I'm having two different products. So one is this vehicles and
Yeah,
then
let me tell. Suppose in a
uh,
supermarket you'll be having some children things like diapers, all those things. In the some sector you will have food and beverages. In some section you will have, right. So like that, whatever the sale products they have, they will be grouping. Unit grouping means they will categorizing. If you go to some Vijeta, in each section they will have somewhere you have stationery, somewhere you will have the eatables like that, somewhere you will have the aisles, right? Milk products are like ones like that. So just it's like a normal categorization, just grouping.
yeah. So I'm just using the out of the box one for now. And the default unit. Decimal supported. I think this is for the pricing. So I'm just selecting 0 right now. And save and close. Okay. We'll have to activate it, I guess. I'll have to publish this one. You can see the status, right? Draft state. So once I publish this product, then only I can use it in any opportunity. Okay. Now I have published and I'll go back to my opportunity record. Okay. Product type. And now I'll be adding. I am not seeing that product, Harish. It came, huh? Yeah. It's not on the price list for this opportunity. The price list we have selected US dollar only. Let me do this. Back. Not on the price list for this. Just a second. Okay. I'm sorry, I'll explain what I have missed. Okay. I'll be able to add it. Okay. So what I have missed before creating the product, we have to add the price list item, and then only we will be able to create this one. So let me first create it, and then I can show you what I have did. So before adding in product into any opportunity, so first step we should be doing is creating a product. So not from here. This is add product, means adding the existing product, not a new product that we are creating. Okay, first we have to create the product from here with the details like what is the unit group and all. So let me open just anything. Okay, the name, product ID, and unit group, default unit, and default price list, and decimal supported. So these things we can provide in the product, and once we provide the product, then we have to include it in the price list as well. So if you can see here, whatever the price list that I'm using inside this opportunity, that is US dollar, right? So yeah, price list is US dollar. So inside the price list, I should add the items as well. So for this price list, what are all the items that are coming up? So I should add the products inside this price list as well. So what are all the items that are part of this price? Okay, so I have added for this price, what are all the items that will be coming. So I can add the different items here. Okay, nothing but products, currency, and price list, pricing information for each one. Okay, amount we can provide. So for each product, what are all the pricing details that we can mention here? So first we have to create product and then price list items, and then only we will be able to add that product into our opportunity. Okay, so this is the step. So now I have created the product and added in, so I have added my list item into this price list, and then I have added into this opportunity. Now whoever is working on it, for example, here the sales representative is a Harish. So Harish has added this product into my opportunity. After that, he will be sending, like, once he discussed everything with me, that me here is a buyer, so he discussed everything with me, and he'll be creating a quote with this price, whatever the products that we are having and what are all the price details, everything will be created in a quote. Okay. Okay, you can see. So from the opportunity itself, I have clicked to create a quote. So what are all the products is present, and all the details about the price list and amount, everything will be filled in the quote by default. We don't have to select anything. Okay, and once the quote got created, we can check with the customer whether, once the code got created, Harish will ask me saying that, is this okay with you? Like the discount percentage and the what taxes, everything is okay with you. Okay. And if this is the one which I'll be go through, and I'll check whether this is okay. I'll say yes. Otherwise, I want him to change some, the prices or anything. So he'll be changing in this only. Okay. Harish will be changing here only. Okay, if I want to add products also, so here also I can do that. So all the prices or the discount percentage, I can talk with him and make the changes here itself. And then he can send me finally he can send me the PDF through email as well. So here from the out of the box way, we have an option to create a PDF for this code as well. So if I just click on export to PDF, a PDF will get created. We can download it, or we can use email option to send this code PDF to customer through email. Okay, so it got generated. So this is how it looks like with all the details. So you can see the email body also nicely written. I'm sending you this code regarding Chetak Scooty. This code is effective from, I have not provided the date, so it is blank here. Please get back to me with your decision soon. Okay, if I confirmed Harish that I'll be buying on some date, then he'll be creating a order for me. So I'll be activating this one. Okay, and then so if I informed him, if I inform Harishki, like I'll be buying this Chetak scooty on Sunday, then he'll be creating an order for me, which will have the final details of all the products and price list and everything. And status reason is one because the lead, which is me, started with the lead and actually buying this product. So this life cycle is done. Means from the lead to where the product is actually got sold out. Okay, the status reason is on. And click OK. A create order will be created. Okay, so order is another out of the box entity, and this record will get created for me with all my product details and price details and everything. Okay, and then they'll be sending, they'll be sending the invoice, I mean like bill for this product. Okay, so this is the final one which will be coming to me. This is a bill that I bought the scooty from this organization. Okay, so this is about the complete life cycle of sales. So, I mean, if you can just explore, you can see so many options which I have not, maybe might not be included in this session, but you can see the different options that you can see. Cancel invoice, use current pricing or something invoice paid. So these all things you can try on your own. Okay, and let me know. Yeah. If we should complete this invoice as well. So that, yeah, this is a complete one life cycle for a sale. So for lead Jyoti, this got, could you hear me? No. Sai Kalyan, are you talking? Is anybody else can hear Sai Kalyan?
No, Jyoti, we are
Oh,
fine.
Jyoti.
Your voice
Yeah.
only.
Can you ask in the chat window, Sai Kalyan?
Some network issue left that this.
Okay. Okay, meanwhile, I'll be showing you the dashboards here. Oh,
Yeah. Could you hear me?
now I can.
Yeah, Jyoti, sorry to interrupt you. Like, once the customer, once we get approval from the customer, then only we qualify the lead, right?
Huh.
Okay, once we are qualifying the rate, like it is, he is about to purchase the product, right? It means, yeah, if at all, if the customer changes his mind, once after we qualifying the item, then what should we do? Like, what will be our status? Like, if
Uh,
at all, the customer changes the mind and asks us to remove his lead once we qualify him,
yeah,
like,
we do
what
have these
will be the
options
case?
here, right? Close as won, close as lost. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
if at all lead changes his mind and not willing to buy the product right now, or some financial issues or any thing, so what we can do, just close as lost and we can provide the reason for it.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions?
No, Jyoti, that's fine.
Okay, I'll be just creating one lead to show you the dashboards. If you have the data, so it will be good to see the dashboards as well right now. Just bear with me for 2 minutes. I'm just creating multiple. Okay, so right now I'm having two open opportunities. So if I can go here, so why I'm saying I have, so I'm the owner for the two opportunities. So I'm having two open opportunities with me. So if I just, so you can think of me as a sales representative for now. And once I open the app and want to see like what are all the opportunities I have to work on today to follow up with the leads and everything, so that I can just check here. If you know that I want to, huh, I think this might be the different one. I will show you like how to create this dashboards and what exactly to fit in this one, which data we can show it here. So here you can see my open opportunities and my closed opportunities. Okay, in open opportunity, you can see these three. This is the old one, I think, which I have created, and these two I have created now, right? Software licenses and home appliances. So these are my two open opportunities that I should work on. Okay, so instead of just going to the opportunities and check for my opportunities, so from the dashboard itself, we can see that one. And even the lead, if I have only open leads that I have to follow up, that also I can just see from here itself. So right now we're not having much data, so it might be easy for us to just go here and check the status of each opportunity and all. But if at all it is a big organization, then the checking the data will be difficult. So the dashboard is like, we can say, everything visualizing way here visually. Okay, so here we can see the all the details about the opportunities. Okay, estimated revenue. So those details we can see here from the dashboard itself. And you can see the closed opportunities as well and the open leads. Okay, this is to like for any representative who is working on these leads and opportunities, right? So for them it will be uh, useful to see the data, to analyze like what to work on, to with the lead that I have to follow up today on priority. So that kind of task will be easy with the dashboards. Okay, and I didn't show you, right? The contacts that got created once opportunities got created. So I have not created them, but by default they got created once I have qualified the lead. So if you provide more details, all the details will be coming up here. But right now I just provided the email only. So the email is only available here. Okay, so try from your side as well, at least this one sales thing. I don't know how many of you have tried for the customer service one. Okay, please try that one as well. And once you're done with that one, start with the sales hub. Okay, try creating on your own and try to see what are all the options that we have in each record. Maybe on lead, so while creating we might not be getting all the options here, and once I save the lead record, then only I'm seeing more options here. And what are the fields that we are having here. Okay, in each stage what are all the steps, the fields we are having. Okay, these all things you can just explore by yourself. Okay, and try to create records individually, not from the opportunities, and try to see the difference as well. So if I'm creating the quotes and orders and everything from opportunity itself, then all the details are coming up. So if I didn't create quotes from opportunities, how that will be coming up. Okay, that kind of things you can try on your own. Okay, so how many days you guys are not going to interact with me? Tell me that thing at least.
Like if customer sends a message like what will be the interface to chat with them? Like, is there any option in this?
Yes, good question. So for the when we discussed about the customer service, so in the case itself, I have explained you right the activities option we have. So the same way here also we have that one. Okay, so here also we have this timeline section and where you can create an activity, email or phone call, appointment or task, anything you can create. Okay, these are all the activities option we have. So if you want to email the customer, you can do it, or the phone call, you can create it, anything you want. And that details will be present in this timeline itself. Okay, from will be me because I'm the owner, and two is the customer XYZ company, and I can just send an email with whatever the details I want to ask him, the user. Okay, so that is how you can interact with the customer as well using these activities. Okay, any other questions?
So have you ever think we have so many business in the market? Why Microsoft created one customer service module, one sales module, one marketing module? Have you ever think of it? So why do we have only these three major? If we consider any business, any of them will either you have to do a service for something or you need to sell a product. To give a service, they have a customer service. It could be anything, right? Service. So that will under come under customer service. In the sales module, this is about selling, right? So here you will be having the selling product. It could be anything. It can fit in any industry, right? It could be medical, it could be some real estate, anything. If we come to marketing module, there we will be using the what are the ways we can communicate to the end users, what are the promotional methods we have with the system. Because if we have thousand people in an area, if you want to open a new medical shop, you can't go each one and you can't inform, right? If you want to want to send some broadcast message. So for that we will have a marketing module. The same way we have one more in the under the customer engagement, that is field service. If you see here, you are selling a product, right? In the field service, you will be booking a service. And that's the difference between field service and sales. This is that in that you will be scheduling. Suppose if you take what we call, the people are coming. What is that service? One second. You urban club. So in the urban club, what you are doing, you are just booking some home house cleaning service, right? So same way in the field service app, you can book some service. Like if you want any external resource, some kind of monitor, if you want to book a technical session. So all this, it could be virtual or it could be a physical, anything you can book with the field service. So that's why entire business they made fit into these four modules. One that is service module, sales module, marketing module, and field service. Suppose if you don't feel like this is lengthy, I don't want to use this. If you feel that way, you can create your own apps. That's the privilege Microsoft is giving. That's why too many people are will be using the existing OB. OB means out of the box by default apps which are coming. Few people will be creating their own custom apps. So they will create their own entities. They will create their business process flows. They will want create their forms like that. So that's the flexibility Microsoft is offering. So either you can go with whatever the existing or you can create your own. Okay. Any questions here in this understanding? Yeah, Jyoti. Today do you have anything left or covered?
For the sales module, we are done, Harish.
Dashboards you've done, right?
Huh.
Okay. So tomorrow we will continue the same sales model technical. Then you will be getting the 2 days gap, right? So by the time at least try if you don't get time in the weekdays because everyone is working. So just look on the items, whatever the hands-on or what are the notes we shared. So if you have any questions, if you have any doubts in the hands-on practice, you can come on Monday. From Monday, we will be starting the customizations. Okay. Chalo then. Any questions? Chalo, good.